असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युर्मामृतङ्गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. So today we are going to do a heart activation breathing first. So this is a very powerful meditation and it allows you to let go of all the stresses, tensions, and you can have relaxation. You can also find gratitude and also you can resolve any conflicts that are inside you. Find a comfortable place to sit. Back should be supported so that you can relax and listen to my voice. You can sit anywhere on the ground or on the chair. Listen to my voice and start to relax. Take few deep breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now close your eyes. Just focus on relaxing. Take your right hand, place it on your left chest so as to cover your heart. This is optional. You can just focus on your heart in your mind, or you can also place your hand on the left chest. Now focus on breathing. Deep breath. It should be comfortable, not forceful. Deep breathe. Deeper than you normally breathe. Breathe in and breathe out. You are relaxing more and more as you are breathing more and more deeply. As you are breathing in, you are relaxing. As you are breathing out, you are relaxing. Now feel each breathe in is going through your heart. Breathe in through your heart. Physically feel each breathe in pass through your heart, and when breathing out, feel it is passing through your heart. Breathe in through your heart. Breathe out through your heart. When you are breathing in calmness and breathing in relaxed feelings. With each breathing out, you are breathing out all the stresses you have, letting them disappear out into the atmosphere. Continue to do this. Breathe in through your heart. Breathe out through your heart. As you are breathing in and breathing out, you are relaxing. You are in the relaxed state. As you are in this relaxed state, breathing in and out through your heart, think about three things in your life that you are grateful for right now. Think about three things in your life that you are grateful for right now. They don't have to be big things. They could be as simple as being grateful for waking up this morning, or it could be feeling grateful for your family, your friends, your home, the food you eat, the water you drink. Remember three things and be grateful for them. Say thank you to them. Also, you can think of any two areas that you could be grateful for right now. Any two areas, it can be emotional, personal, spiritual, professional, any two areas wherein you feel grateful for. It can be relationships or anything. Feel that gratitude feeling through your heart and entire being. Experience that feeling when you are experiencing this gratitude feeling. You are also smiling when you are feeling this gratitude. Feel that smile in your face. Be in that feeling for few moments. Be in that grateful feeling, gratitude feeling for few moments. Experience that through your heart. Now you can slowly start to return to the room. Take your time to open your eyes and allow them to refocus around. You can bring your hand back to comfortable position. Drop the hand from your chest and keep it anywhere comfortable.